Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am going to unbox the Google Nest Audio. Now this is a new product from Google and they sent me this unit to unbox it and review it. I've been using this product for 2 weeks, probably more, and I will give you my opinion on this speaker. Now here we can see we have Hey Google, and this is compatible with YouTube Music, Spotify, Pandora, SiriusXM, Google Duo, Google Calendar.
This is the top result.
The assistant triggered on my Pixel 2 XL. This is compatible with these apps here and more, which you can learn on this link here. Now, first impressions are that this is a heavy box, and being heavy, automatically it triggers into our mind that this is a premium product, and this is exactly what this is. This is a premium product. This is the back of the speaker. Here we have the button for the microphone, we have Google logo, we have the line-in port. Also in the box we have a charger, which I will show you in a second, and the paperwork. Now this is the charger. Let me just plug it in. You need to install Google Home app, and we can connect our speaker here by tapping at plus and set up a device. Oh, I don't know if you heard that, but I have to mention that this speaker, even though this looks small, this has a very powerful bass for its size. I mean, it's the same height as the Google Pixel 2 XL and has very rich bass. I will show you in a second. We can activate voice match on this device, which I will do because I don't want other people to use my Nest Audio. Okay, the default music service is YouTube Music, but we can also use Spotify and we can use Soundcloud, which I'll show you in a second because I will use Soundcloud to demonstrate these speaker capabilities.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
We can say, hey Google, what's the weather for tomorrow in New York?
Tomorrow in New York City, New York, it'll be sunny, with a high of 73 and a low of 52.
Okay, hey Google, volume at 100%. We can say this to get the volume at maximum, or we can tap here or here to lower the volume. Here is play and pause. Now I'm going to my SoundCloud and I will show you how you can play from SoundCloud. Okay, let me find something with bass. Okay. So as you can see, I'm playing this from the phone speaker. If I tap here, we see that we can cast to bedroom speaker. Whoa, lot of volume. Now, I would recommend you to use headphones for this process. Here we can pause, or we can say, hey Google, pause. Okay, this was kind of old school. Let me just show you something more modern. Okay, let me show you a trap beat. volume at 30%. Okay, so even in the maximum volume, the microphone recognizes my voice and has the capability to lower the volume or even listen for other commands like, hey Google, set an alarm tomorrow for 7 a.m.
Okay, your alarm's set for tomorrow at 7 a.m.
Okay, so what else? Let me just go a little bit far. Okay, so this is a distance of 1 meter. Let me just play some music and trigger Google. Hey Google, volume at 50%. Okay, this is 2 meters now. Hey Google, volume at 100%. Hey Google, volume at 50%. So even... Okay, so let me just get close. Okay, even if I am far, like 2 meters or more, the Nest Audio recognizes my voice and it will lower the music volume to hear me. Hey Google, pause. So now I will go in a distance of 5 meters and we will see. Okay, so we are on a distance of 5 meters now. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but hey Google, play. Hey Google, volume at 100%. Hey Google, volume at 50%. Hey Google, pause. Okay guys, since I've been using this device for more than 2 weeks, I have to mention that this is a very good product. Meaning that this is perfect for an alarm or perfect as a reminder, because it will remind you of stuff to do in the morning when you're just awake. And also you can use this with the Google Assistant. For example, hey Google, put me to sleep.
La 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 la.
Hey Google, stop. So it can sing you a lullaby, or probably you want to hear some fire cracking noises. Hey Google, play some background fire. Hey Google, volume at maximum. I know that you don't want to hear this at maximum, but you can play this at 30% of volume and it will be very good for, let's say, blocking noises and making yourself feel like you're in a fireplace or something similar. Hey Google, play some background rain. We can tap here to play or pause. So, final thoughts. Despite the fact that the Google sent me this product and you expect me to say nice things, it's a very good product, and I recommend you get this one probably as a Christmas gift or a New Year's gift to one of your relatives. This was the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Hey Google, volume at 30%.